In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to withdraw royalties from nation data distribution. So this video is going to be a full breakdown how you could actually withdraw your earnings from nation data distribution. First thing I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to be logging into my account. So I'm going to be clicking on this menu button. So once I actually click on the menu button, I'm going to click on login. So right now I'm going to be inputting in my email address. So right now I'm going to be inputting in my first name, my last name. So I'm going to be inputting in my password. So after inputting in my password, I'm going to click on login. So it's going to take some time to load right here. So you can see right here I just logged in, so I'm going to click on access dashboard. So once I actually click on access dashboard, it's going to take you straight to your access dashboard. So what we're going to be doing right here is we're going to be clicking on this menu button right here at the right corner. So once I actually click on the menu button, you're going to see where it says withdraw. So once you click on it right here, it's going to take you straight to this page. So right now we are going to be putting in our email address. So I'm going to be putting in my email address real quick. So after you're done putting in your email address, then you need to enter your full name. So right now I'm going to be entering my full name right here. Then once you're done with that, you're going to be entering in your artist name. So once you're done entering in your artist name, you need to actually note that the minimum payout for nation data distribution is £20. So you need to have at least £20 in your account for you to be able to withdraw your money. So in order for you to know if you already have some money in your account, you need to actually look at your streaming report. So once you actually look at your streaming report and you have seen that you already have at least £20 in your account, then you could actually make a request for withdrawal. So right now I'm going to be withdrawing in $200 right here from my royalties. So right now I'm going to click on $200 right here. So let me quickly input $200. So one thing you need to take note that in order for you to actually withdraw your money from nation data distribution, you need to either have a Pioneer account or you have a gray account. So basically what this platform actually do for you is they actually give you a foreign virtual account that you could use to withdraw payment from anywhere you are in the world. So I actually have both gray account and also a Pioneer account. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be withdrawing the money into my Pioneer account. And also you need to also take note of what they're actually saying right here. So you need to actually take note that the payment method right here is through ACH transfer, and the currency must be in British pounds. So basically you need to actually provide in your British pounds. So once you actually create a Pioneer account or you actually create a gray account, they're going to be giving you a British pounds account. So what you just need to do right here is actually just copy the information on that account right here. Then you're going to be pasting in the account right here. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be copying in my account number, which is my British account number. Then I'm going to be putting in my sort code right here. So after putting in my sort code, I'm going to be putting in my account name. So right now I'm going to be logging into my Pioneer account, and I'm going to be heading over to my British pounds account to actually copy all my information. So you can see right here, once I actually click on British pounds, it's going to bring out all of the information about my bank. So what I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to be clicking where it says receiving account right here. So once I actually click on receiving account, you're going to see all your bank's information. So you can see right here that this is your sort code, your account name, your account number, and everything about your account details. So what I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to be copying all these details right here. Then I'm going to be heading over to nation data distribution. I'm going to be inputting all these details on the platform. So once you're done inputting all the information, so what you need to do right here is to click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw right here, it's gonna process your withdrawal. So you can see right here it says they're actually gonna process your withdrawal. So you can see right here it says payment request received. So you need to actually take note that it's going to take up to 3 days for you to actually receive your money. So right now I'm going to be pausing the video. So once I actually receive the money, I'm going to be showing you guys how much I actually received. So guys, you guys see right here that we actually got an email from Nation Data Distribution. So what you need to do is actually make sure you actually check in the mail. So like I said earlier, your payment is going to take 3 days right here. You can see right here that says the payment is going to take 3 days. So after 3 days, you're actually going to receive your money. Yeah guys, so the money just came through right here. So you guys see right here that I actually receive 168 US dollars. So the reason it's actually saying USD right here is because I actually convert the money from pounds to USD to actually know the equivalent amount of money. So you can see right here that this is the equivalent amount of money I actually got. So I actually withdraw £200. So they have actually deduct charges and all of that. So I actually forgot to tell you that. So once you actually withdraw your money on Nation Data Distribution, they're actually going to deduct charges from tax and all of that. So basically once they are done deducting their charges and their tax, this is the amount of money you're actually going to be getting. So you guys see right here that this is an email from Pioneer account. So you can see right here that says I received a new payment to your global payment service. So basically that's how you could actually withdraw your money from Nation Data Distribution. And I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you know it did, please do also like the video, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So if you know you have not signed up for Nation Data Distribution, do also actually check out the link in the video description to go create an account for yourself and start distributing your music with Nation Data Distribution. So if you know you want to learn more about Nation Data Distribution, do also actually click on the video popping right on your screen, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.